My name is Tunya Hana. I am from class 9 from Ramakrishna Sharda Mission Girls School, Khonsa. I am participating in GYS Avishkar Award 2025. The name of my project is Introducing Orchidarium in Schools. An orchidarium is a specialized area dedicated to the cultivation and display of orchids. It is designed to provide optimal environmental conditions for various orchids to thrive, potentially for research, conservation and commercial purposes. Arunachal Pradesh is known as the orchid state of India due to its rich biodiversity and abundance of orchid species within its forest and mountainous regions. With over 600 species, the state has the highest diversity of orchids in India. The foxtail orchid, also known as a kopapul, is the state flower of Arunachal Pradesh. Orchids hold social culture's importance for various tribes within the area. Some species are used in traditional medicines and rituals. The state government of India is highly promoting orchidariums and conservative efforts to attract botanists and nature lovers. The state is also working towards branding itself as the orchid capital of India, highlighting its unique biodiversity and promoting it as a tourist destination. An initiative should be taken at school levels to introduce the students about this treasure trove. Rooftop orchidariums can be easily established in schools. Different types of orchids are easily available in our surroundings. The environmental conditions is highly conducive for orchid growth. Students can get some hands-on experience about growing, maintaining, tending orchids as well as potting mixtures, conservation and commercializing orchid culture. Our school is located in the hilly region in Khonsa. In our sprawling campus, we get to see lots of varieties of orchids, mostly epiphytic and terrestrial. We can only recognize foxtail orchid and both orchid. That led me to think that if this orchid should be collected and identified in an orchidarium, we can get a hands-on knowledge about their different names, about their different types, their growth habitat, their growth medium, conservation and commercialization. An orchidarium can be set up in schools. Different types of orchids are easily available, all some on trees, some in soils. Different types of orchids should be collected and identified. In this prototype, we are trying to show how to hang the orchids from the roofs on the walls and keep them in pots as well. A systematic manner should be maintained about each of the orchids that has been collected. They should be labeled by using both their scientific and common names for easy identification. The orchidariums should help the students to get a hands-on knowledge about mountain and orchid, about different pot mixtures, maintaining proper humidity, conservation, medicinal and cultural importance as well as commercial purpose of each orchid. This low-cost framework can be easily made from bamboos available in our surroundings. Thick plastic sheets can be used to cover up the walls to let maximum sunlight and create a humid environment. Provision has to be made for hanging the orchids from the roofs or the walls. Pots are also needed to cover up the floor area. Thank you.